Join me as I try to turn a small investment into a whopping 400% return using affiliate and network marketing strategies. Affiliate marketing and network marketing have been gaining popularity over the years, and for good reason. They offer a way for entrepreneurs to earn passive income, work remotely, and tap into a global audience. The potential for high returns is immense, and many people have made fortunes using these methods. One of the biggest misconceptions about affiliate and network marketing is that it's easy. People think they can just sign up for a program, promote a few products, and suddenly become rich overnight. But the truth is, it takes effort, patience, and persistence to succeed in this field. Many newcomers are unaware of the amount of work required to build a successful affiliate or network marketing business, and they often get discouraged when they don't see immediate results. Another major challenge newcomers face is the fear of failure. They're afraid to take the leap, invest in themselves, or promote products to their audience because they're scared of rejection or looking silly. But the truth is, failure is an essential part of the learning process. Every successful marketer has experienced failure at some point in their journey, but they didn't let that stop them. Lack of knowledge is another significant hurdle. Newcomers often don't know how to choose the right products, create effective marketing campaigns, or build a loyal audience. They might feel overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information available online, and they don't know where to start. This is why it's essential to educate yourself, find a mentor, and stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies in the industry. In addition to these challenges, there's also the issue of misinformation. Some people might have been misled by get-rich-quick schemes or fake gurus who promise overnight success with little to no effort. This can be frustrating and demotivating, especially when newcomers realize they've been duped. But despite these challenges, successful marketers have cracked the code to achieving significant returns through affiliate and network marketing. They've built strong online presences, leveraged social media, and created content that resonates with their audience. They've also learned how to choose the right products, create effective sales funnels, and utilize influencer marketing to reach a wider audience. They create engaging content that solves a problem or meets a need. And they use social media to build a loyal community that's eager to buy from them. They also use email marketing to nurture their leads and create long-term relationships with their customers. Another strategy successful marketers use is to create valuable content that educates and informs their audience. They might create blog posts, videos, or podcasts that solve a problem or answer a question, and they use affiliate links to promote relevant products. They've also learned how to optimize their content for search engines so they can attract organic traffic and build a sustainable business. Let me share with you a compelling case study that illustrates how I have achieved a 400% return through affiliate and network marketing. I have been building income streams for years now. Most people think they have to spend years developing a significant income. That's not true. For example, I promote a couple of programs that cost less than $20 a month, but that produce a significant return on investment. Many of these programs pay their affiliates a nice commission to promote their products. My main program is a nutritional company that has some amazing supplements. As a family physician, this is right up my alley. For recommending products that I love and use myself, I get paid a small commission on every product that I sell on my own. I also have the opportunity to build a team of others wanting to make money from home, and I also get paid on their efforts. For my $20 per month investment into my business, I am able to generate several hundreds of dollars a month in commissions. My actual return on this investment can exceed 3,000% a month. This type of return allows me to fund my other passive income streams and keep my money growing. This is just one example, as I have several other programs that perform similarly. This is a simple and easy business model that anyone can do. In fact, we have put this together in a way that we do about 90% of the work for you. One key takeaway from my success story is the importance of consistency and persistence. I didn't give up, even when I faced challenges or setbacks. I kept creating content, engaging with my audience, and promoting products that resonated with them. In conclusion, achieving a 400% return through affiliate and network marketing requires dedication, hard work, and the right strategies. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a sustainable business model that can generate passive income and change your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tips and insights on making money online. I'll see you in the next video.